Hi there! Did you know Earth Day happens every April 22nd? It's a special day where people all around the world come together to celebrate our amazing planet and learn how to protect it. Let's start with something big: climate change. Our planet is heating up because of pollution, mostly from burning fossil fuels like coal, oil, and gas. This leads to extreme weather, melting ice caps, and rising sea levels. But the good news? We can help stop it. Even small actions make a big difference. One thing you can do is save energy. Turn off lights when you leave the room, unplug electronics when you're not using them, and try not to waste water. Another big one? Walk or bike when you can, instead of asking for a ride in a car. Cars give off a lot of pollution, and moving your body is good for your health too. Now, let's talk about recycling. Have you ever tossed a plastic bottle in the trash? Yikes! That bottle can take over 400 years to break down in a landfill. Instead, recycle it. Recycling helps turn old stuff into new things and keeps our planet cleaner. You can also reduce and reuse. Use a refillable water bottle. Say no to plastic straws. Donate clothes you've outgrown. Less waste equals happier Earth. Next up, wildlife. Our planet is home to amazing animals, from elephants and pandas to tiny bees and butterflies. But many species are in danger because of pollution, deforestation, and climate change. You can help protect animals by planting trees, picking up trash, and never littering. Even using eco-friendly products like biodegradable soap or reusable bags helps keep oceans and forests safe for wildlife. And finally, some easy things you can do every day. Turn off the faucet while brushing your teeth, bring your own bag when shopping, eat more fruits and veggies. Growing plants uses less energy than raising animals. Talk to your family and friends about helping the Earth. Earth Day isn't just one day. It's a reminder that every day counts. Whether you plant a tree, join a cleanup, or just turn off the lights, you're making a real impact. We only get one Earth, and it needs heroes like you. So, are you in?